this is Rohan, and today we will be seeing a mosquito under a microscope. First step is wearing some gloves, and then we will take out our little mosquito here. As you can see, it is dead, a bit gross in person. It just fell and it broke a limb, so you have to be really careful. And then you place it here.
By creating an imaginary picture.
Then you take the second piece of glass and place it on top of the mosquito, like so. You press it for a while and voila! Now we need to keep it under the microscope here. So here is the mosquito waiting to be seen. Now it is time for the big reveal. Here is the mosquito in all of its glory.
Why?
Now this was just 10% zoom, but now we're moving on to 45% zoom. Mosquito. Next up on our list is none other than my nail. Yes, that is what my nail looks like under a microscope. But don't be fooled. My nail is not black. It's just white. This is my nail in 45 times zoom. Don't be fooled. Yes, it's still just my nail. Now that we've seen the mosquito and a nail, what about my grandmother's blood? Yes, this is what blood looks like when it dries up. That we looked at under a microscope today.
By creating an imaginary
Don't forget to like and subscribe.